Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So guys, today I'm explain how to generate or create QR code in PowerPoint. So let's start today's video. So guys, now open PowerPoint 2016. Now click Bang Presentation. Okay, now I'm just insert. So guys, I'm just click insert options. Now add-ons, just click store. Okay, now wait my now search keyword, just click search. Okay, keyword for office, click add, then confirm. So guys, now click insert. Okay, then you can add enter URL text box. Now website, then mail to, telephone number, SMS service, geo or custom. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel. Goodbye.